Apple season, and I am so excited because in front of me are all of the new iPhones, all of the new Apple Watches, and of course, our new AirPods Pro 2. Now, what I'm most excited about, of course, because, well, you know, I do love a good iPhone. We have 4 of them in front of us. We have the new iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Plus, the iPhone 14 Pro, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, this is the new purple, absolutely stunning. I'm so excited about it. Like, the thing that I love so much about it is it's one of those things, like when you look at the color and as you move it around, it kind of changes in the light. The purple is surprisingly so beautiful, and Tim Cook today had on a beautiful purple shirt to match. The thing that you'll notice though in the Pro and the regular iPhone 14 is they still do have the notch, but the Pros are the ones that have the upgraded dynamic island. And why they call it this is because while it looks like that's just a normal cutout, they've turned this into a feature. So when we open up some music and we swipe up to play it, you'll notice that it pops up here and it's interactive. So when we start the timer and we close that, that also pops up there in our dynamic island, and we can long press to bring them up and to close. So it's kind of like another little notification hub, which is kind of cool. So here's some of the new colors. This is the space black, we've got the purple, and this is the light kind of purplish color, which is very faint, but it's really, really pretty. I do also really like this blue. They look so nice. The iPhone 14 comes in 2 sizes, the 6.1 inch and the new 6.7 inch Plus model. It has an XDR 1200 nits double ceramic shield display, 12 megapixel front-facing camera with 49% improved low light with the same A15 Bionic chip that was in the iPhone 13 Pros. But with new thermal improvements, you're basically getting an upgraded iPhone 13 in a 14 body without a telephoto lens, but with all the new crash detection and emergency satellite communication features. Both the 14s and the 14 Pros have the ability to shoot in action stabilization mode for super smooth gimbal-like video. The iPhone 14s will start at $799, with the Plus option starting at $899. This is the Pro Max, and this is the Pro, and this is the new deep purple color. I'm actually really surprised how much I love this color. It's like a perfect complement to all of the past colors, like the blue and the green. I'm still hoping one day they'll make a hot pink. Tim, come on, let's do it. Anyway, let's take a closer look. The Pro models have a new brighter display up to 2000 nits, which is twice as much as before. It features the A16 Bionic chip, upgraded larger camera sensor that shoots 48 megapixel photos. It has a 4K cinematic mode and all of the same new satellite and crash detection features as the 14. The dynamic island is also only available on the Pros, while the iPhone 14 still has the notch-like cutout as before. You will also have the ability to shoot a new 2x mode, adding to the 0.5, 1, and 3 times telephoto. The Pros are starting at $999 with up to 1 terabyte of storage. I love the new purple color. This is definitely the one that I'm gonna order. Or wait, am I gonna order the gold again? Because the gold, it's my aesthetic, but also the purple, it's really pretty. This is when I need the Apple Watch Ultra, because I feel like I've just summited some sort of mountain, I don't know. Those steps are aggressive. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have a bunch more videos for you guys to check out. I will put them here in the end card and also in the description. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so you're notified when I post new videos, and leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite thing is that Apple has announced so far. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!